Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. As you guys could see, I finally got the new laser that I'm going to be putting on the G2C, because in a previous video I told you guys I didn't like that laser and light I put on there because it kept getting stuck inside of the case. And also I was waiting for when they have a next gun show so that I could go and resize the case for the laser. That's the great thing about getting those cases, that you could resize it to anyone you want. Just bring it back and they resize it. That's the case I have for the G2C without laser or anything, that I'm going to keep in case I want to take off the laser and use it. And that's the one I'm going to put with that new laser I'm going to put on the G2C. And that's it right here. So I'm going to install it right now, get everything, get all the parts, everything I need. Open up the box, read the instructions because I haven't even opened it up as yet, and then install it. So let me set up the camera and I'll be right back with you guys to show you guys me install it. And we're heading down to the gun show today also. That's why I'm trying to hurry up, install it so that we could go to the gun show and get that case resized. You see how big it is for that light and laser, which I didn't like. They have too many edges, so it's getting too much edges, so it's getting stuck coming out of the case. So I'm changing that one. Alright guys, here we go. I just opened it up. It comes with the instruction showing you how to change the strobes of the light. It have the strobe light, so it have the standard light. You just have to press the button below. It's showing you how to install the battery. I think that's 7. So head, that's where the steps start. It's showing you the right and left. It's showing you how to install it, how to put the battery, and where you adjust the sights. So it have the instructions. Also it comes with all the screws, the Allen wrenches, the Phillips screwdriver, everything that you need in here. The cover for the battery comes with the battery also, and it feels really light. I hope it's good quality. Well, it might be just light for the gun. Alright, that's the gun right here, empty. So now we're going to take it apart, install it, and show you guys how it look on there. First things first, I'm gonna leave that on, just take it apart. That's how it comes apart. You see the battery slot and the show. I think I'll take out, put the gun apart so that to be easier, lighter. So I think you just have to place the back end in. Break it. There you go, you just have to fit it in there. Have a tight fit in here. It looks good so far. Then we have to put the other piece in. Tight fit. There. That's how it looks so far. Fits nice and flush in here. Now we're going to open up the bag and get the screws and stuff to put on it. I think it comes with Q-tips and all to clean the sight. Put the battery on after. Let's see. Both screws are same length, so it don't matter where it goes. One of them is up here and one down here. when I screw in those stuff on here, I like to screw it back first so that it will fall in place and then go forward. That's a little tip for when you guys doing that. Screw to the left first, and then when you feel it drop into the threads, then you go to the right. Alright, that one feels pretty solid already. Let's see. And try not to screw it down too much because you don't want to thread your screws. Now let's install the battery in here. Now I didn't even see which way the battery goes. Let's double check. It says the negative of the battery have to touch the spring. If I could get that shit open. Alright, I got it. That's a positive, so the positive side facing up, the negative facing down. Yep. All those parts are really small, so you have to be very careful with it. Might have 2 screws, I don't know, maybe an extra one in case you lose. Yep, I have an extra one in case you lose one. Get that in here. And it says for the screw, back from place. Oh, that sensor worked really well. Alright, the way the sensor on here work, let me show you guys. You see it's facing you guys right now. As soon as my finger touch it, see it comes on. So that's how the sensor on here work. When you put your thumb under to shoot, watch, see it come on, move it. And also you could turn it off if you go in and use a iron sights. If you're practicing at the range and you don't want it to come on whenever you touch it, you could turn it off. Find that's a cool feature. And you could make it strobe if you want. I think they say you have to hold on the button. I think. Let's see. No, that's turning it off. It's on. Trying to figure out how. I think I'm doing it the wrong way. Let me see. 1 second. To make it strobe. Yep. Finally got it. You have to click it twice. It's really hard for you to get it to do the strobe. But it's doing it right now, as you guys could see. Put it on the bike, put it on the table. Let's see if I could switch it back because I don't like the strobe. Alright, and that's it. Now I figured it out. Easy. That's about it. That's how you install it. I wonder if it will go on the regular case. Let's try. Put it back together and see if it will go on the case. See, whenever I put my hand under there, it's coming on. Nope, do not fit on here. So I will change that case for it. Make it smaller so it will be on here. That's what I'm going to do right now. So I'll bring you guys along with me and then show you guys how it looked when they resize the case for me. But that's all you have to do to activate it. Just put your hand down on the sensors. See the sensors down here? And I find it fits really nice. You see how small it is? All you have to do is put your hand on the sensor. Move your hand on it. See, going off, back, on. a really cool feature. Your hand don't have to be on the trigger or anything. And also to adjust it for up and down, for elevation, up and down, that's it right here. Left and right, right here. As you see, I started holding the Leica on again. Left and right, screw right here. Up and down, screw right here. Alright guys, so I just got back from doing the case. I'm sorry I could not bring you guys inside because now they make it so strict because of all what happening nowadays. So I don't think we could have video in there because they had security like crazy and everything. But here's the case. I did it. See, it's fitting well. I'm gonna put the camera on a holder and show you guys with it, me taking it out on my side. So let me just get the camera set up and then I'll show you guys how it looks, how easy it is to come out of the holder, the case. And oh yeah, I rode the bike also. I rode the bike for the first time and I made a video out of that one, so stay tuned for that. I'll add some clips of me riding the bike going down there also, so you guys could see in this video. But in the next video I'll be doing my first ride. I made a video of my first ride, so stay tuned for that one. So let me set the camera up and then for me to show you guys how it looks. Alright guys, this is me with the new laser on there. Let me make sure I show you guys that the gun is empty. I'm going to be putting it on my side for you guys to see right now. So it's in there. Easy to come off. Easy to go back in. That's how it is on my side. My shirt's a little tight, but and as soon as you put your hand on there, the laser come on. Move it off, laser go off. So that's much better than the first one. Mostly during the day I'll be carrying that one, so I don't have to worry about the light. And also I always have a flashlight on my side also, so don't have to worry about that. But yeah, there's a laser with the case. See how the case fits right up on my side. Easy to come out, easy to go back in. Alright guys, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget hit that subscribe button, and I have some other videos coming for you guys, so thanks for watching. Peace.